Morning, guys. We should be able to follow us up along, and we can try it now. Try it now. You all right for time? I don't want to. Trouble is, I don't want to make it all about filming, but unfortunately, filming is a bit of a pain.
You try and film something, someone's always in the way. And now let's stop to chat. Come on, Tel, this is the money shot. Don't hit the camera though.
We're testing the drone in follow me mode. We're either going to lose it or it'll be a cool shot. We stop here, Tel. Let's do another little bit. I've changed its position. Right. We'll stop before we get to those wires.
Don't lock me in.
Leaving you that side.
Fucking pipe's gonna do it again, mate. Yeah, I'm not sure it is a lock. I reckon it's more like a floodgate rather than a lock. Yeah, if it was a lock, it'd be talking. Yeah. Right.
I still don't. I mean, I watch it on YouTube and sometimes they're standing up, sometimes they're sitting down. I feel the need to sit down whenever it's slippy. So, right now. Oh.
Come on, Dave, man, up for Christ's sake.
Right there. I knew that was going to be a wrong idea. Terry had it right. Lovely house in the middle of nowhere. I think that's a bit broke, Tel.
Oh, yeah, it's falling off, mate.
Yes, it is an aftermarket bit that Well, that was the last sort of interesting thing for crossing. We're starting to get warm. Yeah. Sorry we're down to one camera because all the others have died. I'm going to try and put the GPX route up at the end, so have a look for it down in the bottom or wherever you would look, and I'll put a photo as well of it at the end that will show you the route we just done. And I have checked at the time of February 2023, the only TROs on the routes are the ones that stop cars in the winter. Bikes are fine. Thanks for being with us again, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you've got any comments, stick them underneath. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And take care.